How to fix The Last of Us 2 PC loading problem. So according to Reddit, the game either hangs on the loading screen after he clicks on the story button, or it hangs the PC when it starts to compile shaders and then have to force the shutdown. So here's the way you can make it work using the task manager, and then you can set the priority to the TLO or the Last of Us 2 task to high. And then you can also go to the details, set the affinity, select the approximately 10 processor cores for the task, and then play the game without crashing. So basically, you will need a really good PC in order for it to stop crashing. So here's his PC specs. So he's using an Intel Core, a 32 GB RAM with a graphics of 4080s and a Windows operating system of 11. So these are currently the specifications he's using, and the game still crashes. So apparently, there's not a proper way of trying to fix this yet. There's no proper way of fixing this yet. They have not added a resolution to the issue yet, and the only best way is to just uninstall and reinstall and hope for the best and restart your PC. And that's how you can fix The Last of Us 2 PC loading screen.